Hey there, DIY enthusiasts and mechanics. Are you tired of struggling with stubborn ball joints that just won't budge? Look no further. In today's video, we're diving deep into the world of automotive tools to bring you the best ball joint removal tool on the market. Whether you're a pro or just getting started, we'll show you how this amazing tool can save you time and headaches on your projects. Plus, stick around because we've got exclusive deals and tips just for you. So, hit that subscribe button, and let's get started on making your car maintenance easier than ever. Number 5. HZAUTOS 10 PCS Heavy-Duty Ball Joint Removal Toolkit, the ultimate choice for anyone in need of a reliable and efficient solution for ball joint repairs. Crafted from sturdy forged steel and featuring a black oxide finish, this toolkit ensures exceptional durability for even the toughest tasks. Designed with 4 powerful adapters, it effortlessly removes press-fit parts like ball joints and U-joints without the hassle of removing the control arm, making your repairs quicker and more productive. The user-friendly operation allows you to easily eliminate brake anchor pins, while its compatibility with most 2WD and 4WD domestic and imported vehicles guarantees you'll have the right fit for your repair needs. With a comprehensive package that includes a C-frame, various adapters, and cups, this kit equips you with everything necessary to complete your repair work effortlessly. If you're searching for the best ball joint removal tool, look no further than the HZAUTOS 10 PCS kit to elevate your vehicle maintenance game. Number 4. ATP Ball Joint Removal Installation Tool is your go-to solution for efficient and hassle-free maintenance of your vehicle's suspension system. Crafted from premium heavy-duty carbon steel, this tool set features black anodic oxidation for superior anti-rust protection, ensuring long-lasting durability. The comprehensive package includes everything you need: a C-frame press, an install cup adapter, a removal adapter, and 3 receiver tubes tailored for various vehicle specifications. Whether you're working on a 2WD or 4WD car or light truck, this tool easily removes and installs press-fit components like ball joints and universal joints, making it ideal for both professionals and DIYers alike. Additionally, the heavy-duty storage case with precision-sized compartments allows for easy transport and organization, extending the life of your tools. Trust ATP for the best ball joint removal tool designed to deliver exceptional performance and reliability every time. Number 3. The DHA Ball Joint and U-Joint Removal Toolkit is your ultimate companion for tackling the toughest ball joint jobs. Designed with durability and strength in mind, this heavy-duty press tool is perfect for experienced mechanics and DIY enthusiasts. The kit includes 4x4 adapters, making it compatible with a wide range of vehicles, from American domestic cars to imported SUVs and light trucks. Made from high-quality carbon steel, it provides strong performance, easily handling the removal and installation of press-fit parts such as ball joints, U-joints, and brake anchor pins. Whether you need to replace upper or lower ball joints, the DHA toolkit offers everything you need in a convenient red case. Say goodbye to rusty parts and hello to efficiency. This is the best ball joint remover you will ever need. Number 2. VEVOR Ball Joint Press Kit is your perfect solution. This comprehensive 23-piece toolkit is compatible with most 2WD and 4WD vehicles, including popular brands like Ford, General Motors, Dodge, and Jeep. Engineered for durability, the high-quality carbon steel construction ensures strength and resilience, able to handle tough tasks without bending or breaking. With its robust C-clamp and jack screw hardness, this kit stands up to high-stress jobs with ease. What's more, you'll love the convenience of the portable carrying case that keeps all your tools organized and secure. With 11 adapters along with specially designed sockets for Chrysler vehicles, this kit simplifies your maintenance tasks by allowing you to work without dismantling the control arm. Make your DIY projects a breeze. Choose the VEVOR Ball Joint Press Kit, the best ball joint removal tool your garage needs. Number 1. Orion Motortech presents the ultimate solution for your automotive needs, the heavy-duty ball joint press kit. This professional-grade toolset is specifically designed for effortless ball joint servicing, allowing you to remove press-fit components such as ball joints, U-joints, and more without the hassle of detaching the control arm. Crafted from heavy-duty forged steel with a black oxide finish, it guarantees long-lasting durability and rust resistance, making it a favorite among both novice DIYers and seasoned mechanics alike. Its universal compatibility covers most 2WD and 4WD vehicles, including popular makes like Ford, GM, and Jeep, thanks to the included 4WD adapter. Storage is a breeze with its conveniently organized blow-molded case, ensuring that all components, including multiple adapters and cups, are always at your fingertips. Trust Orion Motortech for high-quality tools that make ball joint removal a straightforward task. Upgrade your garage with the best ball joint removal tool today. In conclusion, investing in the best ball joint removal tool can make all the difference in your automotive repair projects, saving you time and effort. With our top picks, you can tackle even the toughest jobs with confidence and precision. We hope this guide helps you in choosing the right tool for your needs. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share your thoughts below. Happy wrenching!